Before coming English fantasy, I couldn't know how can I make sentence. I couldn't know how will I speak fluently. I'm very confident about this. When I go to stage, I don't feel shy. I don't feel nervous. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are well, and I'm also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So this is Khalid bin Walid in front of you. I'm a student of English fantasy. My batch nong is 46 and my ID nong is 1729. So now I'm making video about my journey and I would like to talk about my journey. Before coming English fantasy, I couldn't know how can I speak English. I couldn't know how will I make sentence, and I couldn't know anything. And after that, after admitting English fantasy, my mentors and my teachers always support me, and they are also support me, and I'm gradually increasing myself. And before coming English fantasy, I couldn't know how can I make sentence. I couldn't know how will I speak fluently. Now this time I'm not a fluent speaker. I'm very confident about this. When I go to stage, I don't feel shy. I don't feel nervous, and I'm able to speak in English now. Sagib sir and Tanvir sir always support me. Past my 1 month in English fantasy, and they are very good. Their teaching is very good, and they also support me. So if you don't know how to speak in English, if you want to be a fluent speaker, you can come in English fantasy and you should talk to authorities. You should learn English. English is an international language. If you want to go abroad, you have to learn English. You have to speak in English. You have to read in English. So that's the thing. So English is very important in our life. So you should learn English, and you can connect to each other. So that's the thing. So that's all about my journey for the time being. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for hearing me. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.